Now to Ondo, where the state government says it has put in place a robust policy framework for addressing cases of sexual abuse and gender-based violence, as well as exploitation suffered by men and women in the society. Wife of the state governor, Anyanwu-Akeredolu, made this known in her keynote address at a capacity-building workshop organized by the Ondo State Agency Against Gender-Based Violence in Akure. TVC News' Ayodeji Moradia was there and now reports.
On the 14th of July 2021, Ondo State Governor signed the Violence Against Persons Prohibition VAPP bill into law. The signing made Ondo one of the states in the country where the law has become operational. More than 1 year after, stakeholders gathered here in Akure, the state capital, to examine effectiveness of the VAPP Act in the state.
On August 14, 2019, where I watched...
In her keynote address, wife of the state's governor, Anyanwu-Akeredolu, believes that critical stakeholders have pivotal roles to play in strengthening implementation of this law in order to halt the ugly spate of domestic violence. She said it is not enough to have the VAPP Act signed into law, it must be effectively implemented. For her, awareness must be vigorously created to deter people from engaging in violence, while offenders should be seen to be prosecuted using provision of the Act.
As critical stakeholders, you have the pivotal roles to play in strengthening the implementation of this law in order to halt the ugly spate of violence. It is to that effect that building the capacity of law enforcers is in order and becomes all important.
In her speech, an assistant director with the Department of Public Prosecution in the State Ministry of Justice said publication of offenders' names and pictures in national dailies and social media will go a long way in checking the trend.
Come up with this kind of platform, bringing them together so that they can really understand the VAPP law, explaining it to them, and then also mandating them to begin to implement the VAPP law in their various duty posts.
Also ensure that we support victims to always speak out and seek justice. A lot of time we have people who are individuals who are victims who decline from seeking justice, or they rather just withdraw into their shell or withdraw from going further.
Speakers here agreed that aggressive awareness campaigns should be carried out at all levels for the required results to be achieved. Ayodeji Moradia, TVC News, Akure.